myself Atul Goye, and today's my presentation topic law of supply. Introduction. It is observed in market that when high price of goods are offered to sellers, they increases the supply of those goods, and when price level of those goods decreases, the seller decreases the supply of those goods. This behavior of seller is known as law of supply. Definition. Other things remaining same. When price of commodity increases, its quantity supplied increases, and if price of commodity decreases, the quantity supplier also decreases. There exists a positive and direct relationship between price and liquidity supplied of commodity. Following terminologies are used while expression law of supply: quantity supplied QS and price P. Assumptions. Following are assumptions of law of supply, which are held constant while distribution law of supply. No, no change in post production, no change in technology, no change in climate, no change in price of substitute, no change in natural resources. Explanation. Let's see this explains to understand law of supply. Assume that are a farmer and you are producing wheat. If price of per bushel of what is, you will only produce 5 bushels of wheat, which you will only produce and 5 bushels of price increases to you will increase your supply to 20 bushels, and if price again increases to 3, you produce 35 bushels, and at 4 you will produce 15 bushels, and if price of are there of, then the process of this to follow. Change in supply. There are two types. Change in supply. There are two types of change in supply: the one of moment of supply or extension and contraction of supply, and others is shift in supply. Moment of supply. Other things remaining same. All change in equality supply resolution from the change in price factor is collect the moment of supply. Supply curve movie on left side, then it term mean that supply decreases, and course moment toward right side it show that supply increases. Let's consider the above example when price move from 2 to 3 for quantity. Let's consider the above example when price movement from 2 3 for quantity supplied increases from uh, 5 kg to 20 and 35 and 15 and 16 kg. These are known as extension of supply, and if we see this phenomena from reverse side when price is decreasing from 5 to quantity from 60 to 5 kg, this is known as contraction of supply. Let's see it clearly through diagram. Shift in supply. There are many factors that can be a cause of change in supply of a commodity. When price remain constant, they then change in supply of a commodity due to change in different factors at constant price of collect. Shift in supply. Supply curve moving upward, it means supply decrease. If supply curve moving downward, it means supply increases. So thank you.